Did you know one simple kitchen spice can protect your plants and double your harvest naturally? Just 1 spoon of turmeric powder mixed into 5 liters of water can transform your garden. Forget chemical sprays and pricey fertilizers. The secret is turmeric, a natural antifungal, antibacterial, and pest repellent. It fights root rot, wards off harmful microbes, and even deters pests like aphids, ants, and mealybugs. Here's how to use it. Mix 1 level spoon of turmeric in 5 liters of clean water. Stir well and pour it directly into the soil near the roots, not on the leaves. Why the roots? Because that's where real plant immunity begins. Use this natural mix every 10 to 15 days during the growing season for healthier, greener, faster-growing plants, and a harvest that might just surprise you. 100% organic. Safe for all vegetables. Boosts growth, prevents disease, repels pests. Try it once, and you'll be hooked.